Today's episode is sponsored by our friends over at CIGA, who I know that you know from their Blue Planet, which is a very, very famous watch, but CIGA has done it again. This is their new watch, their Hunter, which we have here in silver. This is a wild piece of machinery, and the centerpiece is a 3-layered octagonal tonneau case, and the craftsmanship on this thing really is just very impressive. The case has been micro sandblasted and then on its other angles polished to really create these beautiful chamfers. The material is 316L stainless steel with a DLC coating, which really gives off a very beautiful industrial aesthetic. The movement inside is their in-house caliber CD07, which is a 40-hour power reserve and is just amazing to look at. Definitely has design notes that are evocative of other really, really expensive brands that have become really popular over the last decade. And just like we see throughout the case, there's just so much finishing here throughout the movement. Chamfered bridges, skeletonized base plate. It's really complicated and yet still completely legible. I think this is a wild watch and really, frankly, not very surprising coming from CIGA Designs because they've just been so acclaimed over the last decade with their Blue Planet. So I'm glad to see them diversifying the collection. Head on over to CIGA to explore this piece and enjoy. Thank you to CIGA.